So, kakain tayo mga palangga. Would you like some? Hmm?
I could eat all sorts, but I'm trying to be brave and strong and keep me day.
Would you like
Like
a
what?
spoon? No?
What are we doing with it?
Fried it?
Can fry me one.
Okay.
But yeah,
So-
anything growing in these seeds?
Nothing, hun.
We-
So we're
we-
having our brunch.
These are growing, look.
Yeah, the eggplant is growing.
Are these all eggplant there?
Eggplants, yeah.
3 of them.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it is eggplant, but that seed box
What's this
is
one?
supposedly eggplant.
What's this one supposed to be?
Well, giant strawberry, but there's no giant.
Oh, look at the strawberry.
Yeah.
Oh, then, quickly. What's in your one?
Oh, that's apple tree.
Well done. It's never going to grow without watering it.
I did water them. Have we not showed them
What?
that you tried to grow mango
Well, I did
tree?
grow it, but what I didn't realise, I overwatered it. And the root rotted.
Yeah. John is so excited when he showed me that the mango tree is growing, but unfortunately it did not survive because he overwatered it, and plus the weather is not ideal for mango tree here.
I think it's perfect.
It's not. I don't think so. Wala pa ding tumutubo sa ating giant strawberry mga palangga. Yung talong natin. Oh, yes. Look, they're growing nicely. We will have a lot of eggplants. But they are thin eggplants.
They haven't grown yet.
I know.
Okay.
And ito yung apple tree natin. Supposedly, I hope mag-grow sila. Ito din, kailangan natin yan ng diligan. Are you having a dipping sauce? Ayaw niyang itry yung ating dipping sauce.
What's new dipping sauce? It's killing me.
Vinegar, spice vinegar, and soy
Oh,
sauce.
spice vinegar. You mean it's got chilies in it?
Yeah, chilies. What it tastes like.
Oh.
So what are you doing?
Nothing, I cooked my grass.
No, not now, Han.
So it's that strong.
No, it's not that. I don't want you to dip it now and then everything will be spicy if you don't like it. That's my point. Did you dip it? You did not.
Burning my lips.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see.
So, lalabas lang kami mga palangga. We need a fuel for John. So, we're just gonna drive.
Yeah, we've got to go out for a drive.
Yeah, go out for a
We've never
drive.
been out for such a long time, have we?
So, we're not really going out like
We're
meeting
going
with
out
friends.
in the car and staying
Yeah.
in the car
Mm.
and looking out the window.
Yeah.
Just like staying at home. It's just that the picture changes.
Yeah, so that's what we do. So, the temperature today is 15 degrees.
So it says.
But it's quite cold outside, isn't it?
I've got some gloves to get me fuel anyway.
Yeah. It looks like na uulan mga palangga. Nakikita niyo yan? It's certainly a bit busier, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be you here by my side.
people. We're scared of seeing people now, isn't it? There's few people about. It's so smelly. John farted.
Don't give me that. Something out there.
The farm. They spray something on the farm.
Spray?
So smelly.
Certainly done something.
Oh. That's quite bad, isn't it? So, supposedly, magda-drive-through kami, pero yung mga drive-through dito, like McDonald's, KFC, wala. They're not open.
We'll ride round them both and have a look.
Okay. You know, just to go out and have something to eat. But then, it seems we're not getting any luck. We're home! Nandito na kami sa bahay.
We'll go and let Scooby-Doobies out.
Yung mga bata, they're really barking at us kasi it's season time. It's season time na, you know, meeting season ba nila. Pero yun na nga, yung si Fipa at si Phoebe, they are old na, kaya they cannot have more kids. So we're just having a cup of coffee. It's getting colder mga palangga kasi yun na nga, 3:45 na dito ng hapon. And
Now we've had a drink.
huh?
Tomato plants are growing now, aren't they?
Yeah. Michael is getting that tomatoes.
No idea.
No idea. Oh gosh.
What are you doing with that onion? Oh,
But that's-
is it a leek, that?
Leek. They're leek.
We have nothing.
Hello, Mr.
Mister? Mister? Who's Mister?
You are my Mr.
Mister, really?
Mr. John.
Mr. John's.
You will have a treat. Carrots. So, pwede naman ang carrots sa dogs. Sit. Go. So, yan na sila. They're eating carrots. That's it, Pipa. Run before Phoebe will eat it. Tea time na dito mga palangga. So, yung tea natin is ito. Breaded cod, fries, and peas. Yun lang. Fish and chips ba? Kumbaga. Yung fries nasa oven na. Si John nanonood ng TV. So, ito sila mga palangga. Ito yung up-close look nila. So, ilagay ko lang sila sa oven. Yan. So, 20 minutes. Nalagyan lang ng kaunting tubig. I feel so sleepy myself.
How big that cucumber is now growing.
Yeah, it's growing so much. Yung cauliflower natin and yung cabbage, cucumber, ita-transfer na natin sila. Yung cucumber, ilalagay natin siya sa greenhouse.
Yeah,
The cauliflower, if the weather is good tomorrow, itatanim natin siya tomorrow sa garden. Ito na mga palangga.
One more, please.
Little bit more. That's it. You can have the rest. Yan. So, ito yung tea
Simple
namin.
tea.
The next day.
Hello! Good afternoon! Good afternoon mga palangga. So, nakabihis ako kasi mag-grocery tayo and ito na yung listahan natin. Medyo mahaba-haba to kasi meron ding mga kailangang ipabili si Bianan and meron din, marami-rami din tong kailangan nating bilhin para sa bahay and ako lang yung pupunta sa Tesco. Of course, si Jan yung magdadrive pero nandoon pa siya, naka-computer pa siya. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na yung mata ko. Diyan muna kayo. Yan. Bakit ang tagal ni Mr.? So, meron tayong gloves, mask, and ito, gloves. So, yung temperature pala mga palangga is 17 degrees. So, medyo mainit. So, meron pala tayong 3 plastic bag, no? Ito, mga ganito ba? Parang, ano, and meron tayong isang ganito. So, 4 bags, all in all.
2 hours later.
Nasa bahay na tayo. And nakapagbihis na din ako mga palangga. And nasort ko na din yung ating mga grocery. Pagpasensyahan nyo na talaga. At hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Kasi alam nyo ba, I don't know if kayo rin. Pero every time na nag-grocery ako, feeling ko sobrang intense ng situation. Kasi once I put on my gloves, my mask, I try to remind myself na do not touch everywhere and there. So, parang nililimit ko yung pag-touch ng mga things or pag-touch sa sarili ko once na nandoon ako sa grocery. Yun, sobrang parang wala na talagang time mag-vlog and yung isa nagko-complain pa na ang tagal ko daw. Magpasensya nyo na talaga si Mr. Kung makikita nyo man si Mr. ngayon na hindi siya masyadong friendly, wag nyo na lang siyang i-mind. Kasi may pagkasumpungin si Mr. Minsan talaga ganyan. And yeah, magpasensya nyo na rin yung parang intro natin kanina. Naluluha-aluha ako kasi yun na nga, meron kaming pagtatalo ni Mr. And yung pagtatalo namin na yan mga palangga, sandali lang ha. Iko-continue ko yan mamaya yung kwento ko. But first is, ibuboil ko muna siya, itong crab legs natin. So yan na mga palangga, nahugasan ko na sila. So, yan, maghihintay na lang tayo dyan. So, ito na mga palangga, kumukulo na yung tubig natin. So, ilagay na natin to. Ayan. And there you go. So, ito timer ko lang siya. So, ito mga palangga, ituloy na natin yung ating chika-chika kanina while naghihiwa ako ng mga veggies. So, meron tayong cucumber dito, lettuce, red bell pepper. Meron ako ditong kamatis at red bell pepper na nahiwa. So, yun na nga. Kami mag-asawa mga palangga. Meron talaga kami mga pinag-aawayan. May mga bagay na hindi pinagkakaunawaan. So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan, kung nag-aaway ba kami? Yes po, nag-aaway po kami. Normal lang yan sa mga mag-asawa. And marami kayong hindi nakikita sa amin off-cam mga palangga. Kami ni Mr. Bihira lang kaming magtalo, mag-away. Pero may isang issue lang talaga kami na hindi namin napag-uusapan ng maayos. Itong issue na to, nung bago pa lang kami, hindi talaga namin napag-uusapan. And gusto ko siyang pag-usapan kasi yun na nga, communication is the key. Pero every time na binibring up ko yung subject mga palangga, ended up like this na nagtatalo, hindi nag-uusap. So, hindi talaga namin siya na nare-resolve kasi daming pasikot-sikot eh. Yung akin lang naman kasi is kung ayaw, hindi sabihin, straight to the point ba? Kasi mahirap umasa, masakit umasa mga palangga. Kasi inaamin ko, sobrang pasensyoso akong tao, pero minsan talaga nauubusin yung pasensya ko. So ngayon, papasensyahan nyo na nagchichika ako sa inyo while parang nagrarant. So, yung patience ko noon is nandito na siya. So, after nitong vlog na to, yung patient level ko is itatop up ko na naman and nandito siya. And then, bababa at bababa na naman yan ulit and magrarant na naman ako sa inyo ulit. I hope maintindihan yung mga palangga. Alam ko na hindi nyo maiintindihan kasi yun na nga, hindi ko sinishare sa inyo lahat. Pero gusto ko lang sabihin na, yeah, meron din kami mga pinag-aawayan talaga. Gusto ko siyang i-share sa inyo, pero ayaw ko muna siyang i-share kasi yun na nga, dapat talaga sa mag-asawa lang muna to, pero ewan ko lang. So yun na mga palangga, ayaw ko na siyang pag-usapan kasi naluluha ako. So anyway, yung potatoes natin, kumukulo na siya. So, be positive na lang tayo kasi you never know. And tiwala lang kasi you never know. Baka may naghihintay na para sa'yo. Naghihintay na something big. So, ito na yung salad natin. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig sa salad mga palangga. Hindi ako masalad na tao kasi yun na nga, kumakain ako ng mga vegetable. Kumakain ako nito basta luto or let's say na lang half-cook sila. Kasi alam niyo naman ako mga palangga, hindi talaga ako healthy person na kumakain ng mga fresh vegetable. I am learning. Kumakain naman talaga ako ng mga ganito, mga lettuce na fresh. And ito, kumakain ako pero yun na nga, kung merong option, hindi talaga ako pupunta sa salad. Kumakain naman ako ng bell pepper na hilaw, minsan cucumber na hilaw. Basta, I am learning pero yun na nga, hindi talaga mga palangga, papasensyahan niyo na. Huwag niyo akong tularan. Nakalimutan ko mga palangga, kailangan din pala natin lagay ng red onion. Ito yung dressing na gagamitin natin. Ito yung nabili ko sa Alde. Masarap yung dressing. Ranch siya. Yan. Masarap. Wala ko lang yung nasasarapan sa dressing. Si Mr. ayaw niya yung dressing na yan. Gusto niya yung French dressing. Meron namang French, pero nauna kasi namin itong gamitin. So, sayang naman kung i-open yung dalawa. Inopen namin yan nung nag-barbecue kami. And then, sobrang colorful na yung salad natin. Yan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan na mga palangga. Kain! Yung oras ng mga palangga is 4:38 na ng hapon. So, potato na lang yung hinihintay natin. Malamig na yung ating crab. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ha. Yan. Malamig na siya. So, babalatan ko siya. Kasi kung hindi ko siya babalatan mga palangga, ako lang din naman magbabalat mamaya. At least, ito, soft siya. So, hindi siya masyadong mahirap. Kuha muna ako ng gunting ha. Sarap niya mga palangga. So, yan na. Success. Merong mga dumikit, pero Hindi karamihan yung dumikit. So this is the moment of truth. Kasi last time na nag-crab claw ako, dumikit siya sa ano niya. Dumikit yung meat niya ba? Paano ba to i-open mga palangga? Uy. Ito yung struggle pag nag-crab ka. Siguro, ibibigay ko na lang yung dalawa para kay Mr. at ito yung akin. Kasi, parang... Ay, akala ko parang mahila mo yung meat ba? Hindi siya nahila. Naputol siya. Hindi tumakbang. How to peel the crab claw. Pero this time, nakikita ko mga palangga na hindi siya masyadong dumikit. We're getting there. I'm excited. Wow, tingnan nyo yan mga palangga. So, tama pala kayo talaga na last time na overcook ko siya. Kaya ayun, dumidikit. Kasi ito, hindi siya masyadong dumidikit. Nakikita mo talaga ba yung buo na crab meat?
A few minutes later.
So, yung potato natin, lalagyan ko lang siya ng butter. John, tea is ready. So, ito na yung ito na yung tea natin mga palangga. Ganito yung tray ni Mr. Yan, kain. I hope magustuhan ni Mr. Kasi pag hindi niya nagustuhan, nako,